Hey guys, welcome back to my devlog, The Last Castle. Hope you all are enjoying the series. As always, my friendly reminder, this is not a step-by-step tutorial. If that's something you guys would be interested in, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Hope you all enjoy this video. In this video, we will be starting the dynamic upgrades and setting up the UI. This will bring up an upgrades menu after gaining enough XP. The dynamic upgrades are temporary upgrades you will be able to get while playing the waves. Later on, we will be making static upgrades so that when you die and go to the main menu, although you will lose all of the dynamic upgrades, if collected enough coins, you can then spend those coins on permanent upgrades. Let's get started. Here I'm making the dynamic upgrade manager script. Right now I place it on an empty game object, however later in the video I will be moving it to the parent transform where the upgrades will be instantiated, into which will be a UI. The dynamic upgrade manager is what holds, as of right now, 3 lists of probable upgrades, and it will randomly select an upgrade from each list and display it once the player has gained enough XP for the upgrade UI to appear. As you see here, this is the dynamic upgrade list SO script, which is the dynamic list scriptable object. This list will hold probable upgrades, and the dynamic upgrade manager will hold 3 of these. Then I've made a dynamic upgrade SO script, which is the individual upgrades themselves. Each upgrade will be a dynamic upgrade SO scriptable object. This is what will fill the list of dynamic upgrade list SO. Like I've said before, if this is something you all would like me to go further into, I'd be more than happy to do so. Just leave a comment down below. As for right now, here's a small topology to help with understanding a little better. First, we have the dynamic upgrade manager. This is what holds the lists of probable upgrades. Right now we have 3 lists. Each list will represent 1 slot on the UI. In each list, we will have a list of probable upgrades, each one with various chance percentages of spawning when the upgrade UI appears. I know it's a little bit of a rabbit hole, but hopefully that better explains it a little bit. Here I'm making the dynamic upgrade UI script. This is the UI prefab for each of the upgrades. It consists of the upgrade name, the icon, the amount of the upgrade, as well as a description. And there you have it. We have set up the basics of the dynamic upgrades. In the next video, we will set functionality to it so that when you click on an upgrade button, it will apply to your stats. As always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to help grow my channel and keep me doing what I love. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.